Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of True Renunciation of Action, Chapter 5, Shloka 11. Yogis, having abandoned attachment, perform actions merely by the body, mind, intellect, and senses for the purification of the self, ego.
Chapter 5, Shloka 11. Kayena manasa buddhya kevalair indriyairapi yogina karma kurvanti sangam tyaktvatma shuddhaye.
Chapter 5, Shloka 11. Yogis perform action after they have abandoned attachment for the purification of the ego. We have the consciousness within which gives power to the observer to watch all that is happening within and without with detachment as an uninterested observer. Karma Yoga helps the Karma Yogin himself to remain within himself as an observer by purification of the tendencies. As the mind is purified, the ego becomes weak and starts receding. The observer develops the witness attitude in itself and comes to watch disinterestedly the actions of the body, mind, and the intellect, the instruments of action. This observer in himself is, however, not the truth, as it is the observer of whatever is being observed by the intellect. The consciousness that illumines the observer is the spiritual center, the core. So we have consciousness illumining the observer, which is the witness of happenings. So what is the need of the Karma Yoga technique? By Karma Yoga, the witness attitude becomes perfected and the ego notion starts disappearing with the reduction of the tendencies. Actually, there is only pure consciousness. Because of ignorance and identification with matter equipments, ego is born and the action of the matter in presence of the consciousness is claimed by the ego. The reflection of consciousness is the witness of everything, the ego and its falsely claims due to the tendencies. As the tendencies start reducing, the ego starts disappearing, and as a consequence, the witness attitude becomes more meaningful, or as the wrong notion ends, the right notion becomes clear. With the end of the ego, there is nothing left for the observer to witness. So, only pure consciousness remains. Hence, the need for karma yoga. More in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.